Thought of a great business idea? Before you go pitching it to investors, you're gonna need a business plan, especially if you want to be taken seriously. But how do you write one with no experience? Don't stress. Within this video, we will walk you through some key points that you'll need to include in your business plan. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more helpful videos like this one. Number 1. Executive Summary. This is the introduction to your business plan. It should be a summary of everything you will say in greater detail in the following pages. The executive summary sets the tone for the readers, so list the goals of your plan. For example, if you're aiming to get investors, you need to explain the market opportunity, your capital requirements, a mission statement, an overview of management, competitors, your firm's competitive advantages, and a summary of your financial projections over the next 3 years. Keep this section to under 4 pages. Number 2. Business Description and Overview. This section is designed for you to provide more information about your business. You'll need to inform your readers about the purpose of your business, explain why you developed the company and what you plan to offer. You need to show the business model strategy, any existing strategic relationships, and what your future projections look like. Number 3. Product and Services. This is where you list your services. If you're selling a product, explain who the manufacturer, distributor, and retailer are. Explain how you handle your manufacturing process and inventory. You will also need to list any patent, copyright, or trademark information here. If you plan to feature new products or services in the future, this is where it should be mentioned. Number 4. Marketing Strategy. Without an effective marketing strategy, it'll be hard for you to get noticed. Here, you should address your target market and what tactics you plan to use to reach them. Are you solely focusing on a digital strategy, or do you plan to use offline advertising too? Number 5. Competitor Analysis. Competitor analysis goes hand in hand with market research. In order to be successful, you must have a clear understanding of what opposing companies are providing. Once you've done that, you need to explain why and how you plan to achieve greater success than them. Number 6. Design and Development. The design and development should outline how you plan to operate the business throughout the entire cycle to reach its goals. Provide investors with a description of the product's design, chart development, and budget. This section should be extensive if you plan on attracting the right type of investment. Number 7. Operation and Management. If your business plan is designed to attract investors, you'll need to include information on current executives and managers working for the company, along with examples of how they have reached your business goals. Number 8. Financial Factors. In the financial section, you provide the measurable income, payouts, and profits of everything you stated in the previous 7 sections. This is where you include your projected profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow for the next 3 years. So, now that you know how to write a successful business plan, nothing can stop you. That said, if you're looking for more advice, head over to CareerAddict.com, where we share further information. Applying to lots of jobs but not securing any interview? You may need an expert's help. Career Addict offers expert resume services to professionals of all levels. Whether you are seeking professional advice, eye-catching templates, or resume resources, our products are suited to your every need. Take a look at our wide range of resume products, linked in the description below, to upgrade your resume today. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.